Okay, this is the Rodeo Ute with the modified gear shifter. Still haven't put in the other seat, but I've made this gear shifter. Got tired of the original shifter, so I had to modify it. Still got to put some more bits and pieces. I need to put a drive shaft boot to cover that hole, so it'll be stop all the engine noise coming through. It pivots on a steering rod end. You might be able to see it there. It's an Alfa Romeo's tie rod end. It's all made from sheet aluminium and bits and pieces. Changes gears very quickly. Go slow. Or you can root shift. Hope you like it.